Hi, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the second live session. Thank you so much for joining. Today we are going to do Market Watch. Okay, guys, so basically, as of now, Clover seems to bounce back up. So let's see. Okay, guys, so basically, as of now, Clover seems to bounce back. Okay, guys, for those of you who are here, if you guys can hear me, please leave, say hi. Just want to see whether you guys can hear me or not. Okay, guys, for those of you who are here, if you guys can hear me, please leave, say hi. Just want to see whether you guys can hear me or not. Okay, guys, for those of you who are here, if you guys can hear me, please leave, say hi. Just want to see whether you guys can hear me or not. Okay, guys, for those of you who are here, you guys say Alright, guys, so as of now, AMC is still down, currently at $38.91, and right now Clover is up 1.57%. Yesterday was pretty bad. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart on Clover. Clover is up 1.57%. Yesterday was pretty bad. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart on Clover. Yesterday was pretty bad. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart on Clover. Oh, there's a feedback on my sound. Whenever I talk, is it? Is it better now? I'm trying to rectify. Yeah, I think it's so much better right now. Okay. Okay, first and foremost, before we look at the chart, right, let's take a look at some of the news that is around us. Okay, and the good thing about Moomoo app is that, there's this button over here where you can see news. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Oh, it's supposed to pop up. Okay, let's take a look at this. Social buzz. Wall Street bet Reddit stocks mixed pre-market Wednesday. Wall Street bet Reddit stocks were mixed pre-market Wednesday, with most discussed Clover Health investment rising 1% and other frequently mentioned stock Virgin Galactic SPCE flat. Among all-time forum favorite, GameStop GME fell 1%, AMC fell 3%, BlackBerry slid 1%. Tesla was up 0.5%, and Wish up 0.7%. Apple climb. Okay, it seems like all the big cap stock is doing pretty well right now. Okay, so let's hope Clover will be able to maintain that. Oh, you guys can't see this. Hold up, guys. It seems like they blocked this entire piece. So actually I was reading this piece of news over here, but I think they block it for security reason. Okay. Yes, Mumu app to the moon, Darius. Thank you for joining. How are you, man? Hi, Jin. Hi, Nguyen T3. See, hello guys. Hi. Thanks for joining. Thank you guys for joining, guys. Right now, let's take a look at the comment section and see what is the sentiment around Clover Health. So positive news boosting. Oh yes, by the way, okay, I don't think. Oh no. All right. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? No, they blocked, but it's okay. I'm gonna bring you guys to another page so that you'll be able to check. Right, so 6 more minutes till market opens. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's go Clove. Alright. We'll go through this later on. Let's take a look at the news. This was one of the thing that I mentioned in my previous video. So the Senate Democrats agree 3.5 trillion healthcare and anti-poverty plan. So the main thing is the healthcare, 3.5 trillion healthcare. Alright. Democrats on the Senate Budget Committee agreed to roughly 3.53 trillion in spending for their broad healthcare and anti-poverty plan, determining to the scope of the party expected effort on education, climate change, childcare, and a host of other issues, while it has control of Congress and the White House. So the thing about Clover Health, why I think with this presidency and his team, I think it is on Clover's advantage, simply because the fact that Obamacare is pretty much valued, so therefore Medicare companies would definitely strive or do well in this presidency. Biden, whether you like him or not, we're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about politics here, but basically I just feel that in this presidency, Clover will do well. Alright guys, so 4 more minutes till the market opens. 4 more minutes, guys. Yeah, so the thing about Mumu is when it approaches the market opening, then it will turn gray, so that none of us, it's kind of like restart the system. But you'll be able to tell what is going on in the pre-market. So Clover is still 1%, GameStop 0.45%, and it seems like today is pretty well. Right? Everything is doing fairly well. Alright guys, so still have a few minutes to the market open, doesn't matter. Let's take a look at some of the... Alright. Let's take a look at the Reddit community Reddit community and let's see what is going on over there. Okay, give me a second. See, I use Reddit far too many times on, in particular Clover. So whenever I type Clove, it will come up this Reddit group. So let's take a look at the Yahoo conversation and see what's going on. Conversation. Right. Okay, let's take a look at the live chat and see. Damn. Okay, so it is approximately 1 minute to the market open. So let's see. Oh my, straight up. It was at 1%, right now it is at 0.11%. Ooh. Alright guys, the market open and right off the bat Clover is down. Damn, it's not a great day, is it? Let's take a look. Oh. Yes, right off the bat Clover went down pretty badly and we are going up. Right, let's hope that it is a great day. I mean, we've been down for far too many times, far too many days, right? Oh. But Tesla is moving up, staying there at 0.49% over here. 0.5, 0.6. Dang. Seems good. Seems like Clover is kind of like giving up. Oh, come on guys, give us a green candle. Come on. Oh, come on guys. Alright, we are seeing a first green candle, so let's hope that this green candle sustain. Oh wow, that's a pretty good bounce. Oh hello, hi Trading Talk. Hi, I'm feeling alright, I'm feeling good. Okay, as long as Clover continue the green candle, I'm feeling good. Yeah man, there is, the market is moving like mad. Alright, Clover is bouncing back up. Let's hope that it sustains. But let's take a look at Tesla guys. Tesla, damn, Tesla is going up leaps and bounds. Everybody, let's take a look at comment section. $700 tonight. Any one of you holding Tesla, leave them down in the comment section. Me, right? Me guys, right? Me. Oh wow, Tesla, what a run. Yes, there is. Tesla is the truth to the moon, literally. Damn. Let's take a look at Tesla a couple of months ago. Okay. So Tesla, it was trading at $100. Wait, what's? Did I change the like? What is this? Is this Tesla? What's going on? Okay, Moomoo is changing, but doesn't matter. Let's go back to Clover. Clover is seeing green. Oh no! Just when I come back, it gave up. You know, this is what happened when everything is going great, but you know, when you look at it, then it's to go red. But come on, man, stay strong, Clover. Let's go up. AMC is holding. Oh, AMC have had a super red candle, guys. It was down when the market opened. It down 2.14%, and it's trying to pick up. So let's take a look at Clover Health. Right, we are picking up, guys. We are picking up. I mean, especially with the good news, I do, hope that Clover will rebound one way or another. I hope so. I mean, come on. Okay, so let's, take a look at this. That's interesting. Now let's take a look at the Clover Health Yahoo, conversation. See what's the buzz around this area. Because remember, guys, it's not just Reddit community. There are so many other communities. So if you guys want to show your love for Clover, you guys can just come here and share your thoughts about Clover. Okay, so it seems like it's pretty bullish. Everybody is trying to. Alright. Okay, then oftentimes you have this someone else who just talk about other ticker symbol and then say that, oh, how many percent shorted. But come on, man, 9% so short for Clover. That is not right. You guys know. Alright, you guys know. Hi guys. Let's go to market beat. Okay. Clover Health investment, short interest ratio and short volume. So, hey, June 30th, the price report was $13.32, and the percentage of float shorted is 31.8%. If you ask me, it's pretty high. Okay, it's pretty high, 30 something percent. Now let's take a look at the iBorrowDesk.com /report/clove. Alright, let's take a look. Right, the fee right now is 13.2%, and the available share is 3.5 million. I really don't get it, man. It is so heavily shorted. It's down so many days, and it so many available share. What? Let's take a look at the. Yeah, let's take a look here. Hey, yeah, Clover. Oh, Clover is up 2%, guys. You guys never tell me. Hey. right, so let's see. Okay, AMC is continuing to sell off. It's down 4.29%. Context Logic as well, which has been down for so many days, guys. Take a look at this. Context Logic. Okay, it was at $14, and now let's take a look at this 30-minute chart. Right, it went to $15. It dropped to $10. My gosh, what's going on? Context Logic. Thought it's gonna squeeze up to $17 or so. Actually, $17 wasn't the maximum squeeze that I was looking at. I was actually looking at $20 because it was so heavily shorted. Like, come on, man. Let's take a look at forward chart. Yes, the highest it went was $32.85, and right now it's $10. So whoever that bought at $30, you guys got diamond butt, guys. But if you guys got conviction, it's just like when AMC went to $20, it dropped down to $5. A lot of people were afraid, scared, not sure what to do, but those that have conviction, they stayed, and well, they reap the reward for those AMC folks. So, I mean, just one piece of advice for Clover Health Investment Corp. Personally, honestly, I don't care how much you believe in it, but personally, I do. Look at the short interest ratio is pretty high, and the potential of the company. Yes. Oh, AMC is down 6%, people. That is disgusting, right? Okay, let's take a look at which context. Let's take a look at the chart, the sentiment. Let's take a look at the, Swaggy stock Wall Street Bet sentiment. So let's go. All right, let's go. Wow, looks so. All right, so the first, Apple is ranked number 1, followed by Nokia, Tesla, Wish, TLRY. It is one of the cannabis stock. SoFi, Alibaba, QQQ. Damn, these are large cap stock. So I presume that this large cap stock is doing extremely well. Wow. Top yellows. Tesla. Positive sentiment is more than negative. Then the stock. Yeah, this is the stock price. This is negative sentiment. Interesting. Wow. Let's take a look at the Clover Group and see what we have in store with us. The 15-minute moving average has crossed above 15-minute moving average. Sitting or swim bullish. Simple as that. Yeah, this is the post that I was talking about on my previous video. If you guys miss it, do just watch, and if you guys like it, do give it a thumbs up so that it will fit into the YouTube algorithm. To be honest, starting YouTube is really not easy. I just want to share with everybody. I have Twitter, Instagram, and everything, TikTok, but YouTube is one of the hardest algorithm to crack, because somehow they don't post a video, and of course you need quality videos for it to cross it out. Let me lower the volume so that you guys can hear me better. Anyway, thank you, Ichin. Yes, I do own AMC stocks, but it is on my Tiger broker account. I bought AMC when it went up to $17, and I didn't sell. I think that would be one of the biggest regret at $20. I mean, I'm proud to diamond hand all the way, but it affected me quite a fair bit. It affected me, emotionally, mentally, when it dropped to $5. It was crazy because I mean, if you guys don't know, I am actually a university student, and when it dropped to $5, I felt extremely sad, and because I put in a lot of money inside AMC, and it is more money than I can afford to lose, So it impacted me quite a fair bit, in the sense that I couldn't focus on studies. I couldn't focus on whatever I have on my plate right now. As a student, as a footballer, has everything just affected me. Whenever market opens, all I could think of is look at the chart when 9 o'clock, 9:30. I mean, in Singapore time, of course. When the pre-market opens, when market opens, all I could think of is just stock, AMC, and I hope that it's gonna go up. But at that point of time, it was pretty sad, because most of the people tell me that it's gonna go down to $2, it's gonna bankrupt, it's gonna die, and yeah, I guess I just learned how to ignore it, learn how to ignore the noise, and just diamond hand all the way, So yes, it was pretty sad time. Thank you, Henry and Ichin. It was pretty sad times, really, because it impacted me a lot with the work that I do, with the people that I interact with. The quality of my work is just so bad, and and on top of that, I asked my mom, my dad to buy AMC as well, because I was diamond hand. We are in this together. We are the people, and then what is that? Robinhood. Yes, it happened, and it just went downhill. I could have cashed out with a pretty decent profit, to be honest, but I didn't, and when it dropped, I was devastated. But of course, as it dropped, I buy the dip. Whatever money I have, I buy the dip, and as a result, my average was $7.95. I mean, right now I'm still diamond handing, but that is because I'm still in a gain. So I just want to see how it goes. Some people say 5,000, some people say 10,000, some people say a million thousand. I don't know. Let me know what is the price target for AMC if you guys are holding it. I'm not gonna debate with everybody how much AMC could go. I just diamond in and see where it goes. yeah, I do wish that it goes to $1,000 so that I can use that money to visit a psychiatrist and help me. Just joking, I'm fine. Oh gosh. Yeah, but now Clover, right? Thankfully, yeah, I'll say I bought Clover at a very early stage. I bought Clover when it was at, I think, $8 or $7. But I bought Clover at the point of time at a pretty low price. I mean, I didn't expect Clover to go up, right? I just hear a lot of buzz about Clover. Oh, Clover this, Clover that. And back then, Clover was, the subreddit community was only, I think, 5,000 members. I joined and it was like, yo, what is this, man? Everybody seems to be so convinced. So I, decided to take a look at it, check it out, check about Clover, the subreddit community. And I started to deep dive into it. And of course, with the subreddit community being so good, right? Guys, like they post a lot of information, right? Then they tried, some of them put in a lot of quality explanation, due diligence, if you want to call it. And yeah, see, for example, DD. Let's take a look at the DD section. And reflection risk reward ratio are for institution mindset. So I'm posting this DD to get minds off squeeze mechanic and ask the important question of what and why institutional ownership is at 100% plus, and yada yada yada. So as you can see, and as I deep dive further on Clover and many other stocks, many other due diligence posts by our dear Reddit community, I came to realize that actually Clover is, oversold, as well as it has a short squeeze potential. And of course, upon looking more into the fundamental aspect of it, I realized that damn, Clover has really good of course, it's making a loss, yada yada. But if you buy Clover for now, meaning 1 week, 2 weeks, yeah. But if you buy Clover for a long term, okay, when I say long term, I'm talking about really long term. So if you do that, I would think that you do well, because in a couple of years time, I do see Clover hitting what, $20, $30. So the fact that you bought at certain price, I think is still very much at a low range. So let's take a look at the chart while I share with you some of my personal anecdotes, personal stories on Clover, AMC, and what not. So yeah. Alright guys, in case some of you guys are wondering, why is my forehead having this red thing? Okay, I just want to share, I recently did a vaccination, right? Take a jab, first jab, and yeah, I've been having like random rashes on my face, my body, here and there. So I hope it's not serious. Yeah. Yeah, I do hope there's nothing serious. If it is, oh, kind of scary. Yep. Oh, can't see my forehead? Okay, give me a while. Let me enlarge for everybody to see my forehead. Okay, you guys see my forehead? Yeah. It's kind of like red and itchy, but because I'm doing live, so I think better not, right? Better not. So yeah, I think I try to do this. What is this? Okay, thank you for joining the session, everybody. Oops. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Thank you for joining the session, everybody. Appreciate it. Pardon me, I'm trying to play around with the OBS system to see how to best do a live stream video for everybody. Alright. Yes, it's red and big and itchy. Yeah, I just want to scratch it, but I think better not. Yeah, I think better not. Anyway, how are you guys? How's your day? I believe most of you guys are from where? Singapore? If you guys from other places, just share with us. I'll be glad to have folks from other countries as well. How long has it been there for? I don't know. Whenever it's like 9 p.m. in Singapore time, when the market opens, and this period, then my forehead start to have these red patches. It's kind of itchy. You're from Yishun? Wait, Yishun. Are you for real? Oh, just anything. Hey, you're from Malaysia. I hope you're doing all right. I mean, I heard a lot of yes, I think stress. You're right. I think stress as well. I think before the market opens, I think my brain just stresses out. Yes. I don't think it's stress, alright? I think I can handle stress pretty well. I know this is not an interview, but I think I can handle stress pretty well. Oh, hello, Trading Talk. You're from England. How are you, man? How are you feeling about the loss against... What? Oh my god, I have a brain fart. England versus Italy, yes. Alright, bad. Yeah. I mean, I watched the match. By the way, in Singapore, it's really difficult to watch matches because Singapore timing is... I mean, Asia, right? Southeast Asia, our timing is a little bit off, where it's in the morning in US or UK and it is midnight, alright? So I watched the match at 3 a.m. Alright, I watched the match at 3 a.m. and the next day I have work, so I practically didn't sleep. Yeah. You think you can handle stress, but your forehead says otherwise. I hope my forehead don't have these red patches whenever I go for interview. If not, I won't be able to find any proper job. Okay, let's take a look at some of the Twitter. Yes. Alright. Yeah, Saka shouldn't have taken the penalty. I don't know, man. It's quite debatable about this because the thing is, penalty in the final is up to... I mean, okay, I'm sorry. what I want to say was that I think, yes, I do think that the coach shouldn't make the decision on who to kick the penalty. Right? It shouldn't be, the case, because taking it in training is very different from taking penalty or doing whatever on practice and on the match, and let alone a final match against Italy where it gonna change your country's history. And he put everything in a kid's kick. I think it's quite scary. Hold on, let me take the charger. Yes, kind of sad. Alright, so let's take a look at the Twitter page. Alright, so this Twitter. And by the way, guys, this is my Twitter account for this YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't already follow or interact with me, you guys can just do so. It is free. I won't eat you. Yeah. Let's take a look at the latest. Oh wow. I just realized that Clover is up 3%, guys. After 3%, people. Let's go up even more. Let's take a look. All right. Advertisement. Oh, come on, guys. Let's read. Clover aims to use its proprietary Clover Assistant point of care physician clinical management software to simultaneously deliver superior member benefit and industry leading profitability. I'm really glad that I found this. It is an advertisement. Let's take a look at Reddit. Side note, I told you Italy will win England. Southgate is not good enough at managing his talents. It's quite controversial, right? Well, at least he bring England to final. Thanks, Darius, for staying along, man. I appreciate it. Do you buy any stock, Darius, or trading talk, or Ichin, just anything? You guys buy any stock that you guys want me to actually do a due diligence or take a look at? Right. Seems like the sentiment is still strong. Seems that everybody is still rallying around Clover, so it's good. Let's take a look at this. I think I like this kind of post. Hello, apes. You need to separate the game from your emotions. They are going to try and rather investors into selling. It's not going to flipping happen. Strap yourself in. Alright. Seems pretty good. Oh, trading talk. Wish. Okay, let's take a look at Wish. Again, as I said in my previous live, I bought Wish with the intention of short trade, and fortunately or unfortunately, I am holding the bag. Wish. Okay, I think it's this. Is it this? Oh no. Shopping platform. Wish stock. Nice. Probably this. Let's take a look at their lounge. I know what's coming though. AMC got $25 more will be added when it hits mass money coming to Wish. Maybe I'll just ask them a question. Maybe just say hi. Oh. Seems like the group is pretty quiet. Oh. Okay. Alright, workhorse. Am I at the correct place? Yeah. Oh, there's only 816 members for Workhorse on the subreddit community, of course. I think it's this. Okay, I think this is the correct one. Alright, so let's take a look at their 4 minutes ago. The floor is above their shot, just hold. So everybody's claiming that they are apes. I mean, myself included, of course. I think after 2021, by the time 2022, like, you know, 1st of Jan, I think there will be a lot of apes going around. So if you guys want to do business, right, you guys can have a shirt saying I'm an ape. I think you'll be able to do pretty good business with that shirt. Alright, let's go to their daily chat. The group, Workhorse date. Wow, the group is really quiet as compared to, say, you know, Clover. Yeah. What is this? Okay, July meme competition. Post Clover memes you have created to Clover and share link and post link here. Only submitted memes will be judged by moderators. The winning image will be set as Clover banner, while a winning video will be pinned. Alright, let's see. Let's see, guys. Okay, let me read for everybody in case you are driving or, you know, not able to watch together. Sorry. The Lord Mouth Shoe. Wall Street trading floor. The bastard hedges who sell their own mothers to make pretty penny. Clove apes. Hedgie who's forgotten whose side he's on. Oh my. It's pretty laggy because I'm doing live. Wall Street's shitting on clove apes. Oh my god. It is a elaborated video. Alright, let's take a look at some memes. Just photos will do. Alright. Clove, me waiting for my deposit to. Alright, at least waiting for deposit. Let's take a look at meme 2. Okay, so let's take a look. Meme stocks. Can't you do something about your superiority complex? Clover, but I'm superior. That's a fact. I don't think Clover has a superiority complex. I don't think so. I think perhaps other momentum stocks, because they always say Clover is a distraction. So I don't think Clover has a superiority complex. It's my 2 cents. Hold up. Alright guys, Clover is up by 2%, so I think it seems pretty good. We went up almost to $10, guys. Whoa, damn, that is crazy. Why did I miss that? That's the thing. That is the thing that I was talking about. Hello. Okay, so this is okay. Karabang. Yes, hi, hello, hi. Okay, basically he asks, hello sir, what is the biggest takeaway trading in the stock market so far? I think this is one of the biggest takeaway for me, is that the more you look at the stock, the more you care about it. I think it will go another. Hey, wait, this is Wish. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at Clover. I thought it went up to $10. I was like, yo, what's going on? But anyway, Clover is up 2%. I think that's good. But anyways, I just want to say, finish what I said. Basically, the biggest takeaway that, trading in this crazy stock market, especially the meme market, is that you don't look at the stock. You buy, you forget about it. Just take it as if you lose the money. All right. Clove is a good hold. Yes, definitely. The Death. Hi, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Clove is a good hold. Definitely, bro. Definitely. Let's take a look at this line. Right now we are seeing this upward momentum over here, and yeah, let's hope that this particular upward trend stays. But you know what, I don't like to see daily every single minute, because when the moment I buy Clove, or the moment I did video about Clove, hi Coffee Talk and Tech, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining this session. I think I need to watch more of your video to be better at live session. Anyway guys, if you guys want to learn YouTube, or you guys want to watch any YouTube videos with regards to how to be better doing YouTube and stuff like that, I think Coffee Talk and Tech does pretty good YouTube videos. So yeah, but anyway, back to Clover. The reason why I bought Clover at $7, $8, of course, it was because wait, sorry, I'm reading the comment section. Wait, let me finish what I wanted to say. So basically, the reason why I started, why I bought Clover was, of course, I saw the Reddit community, there was a buzz, and decided to buy it not knowing much, and then I started to do due diligence on it, and I realized that it has huge future potential, not just $20. I do see it reaching $30. So that's one of the reasons why I bought Clover. And looking at the short squeeze potential, damn, it's really, it has so much potential to reach $20-$30 in a short span of time. Even if it doesn't reach $20-$30, I'm glad, I'll be happy to buy at this price range, which is at $9. Alright, $10, $8, $9, $11. It is a good price to buy. I mean, just recently, I think just 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago, Clover announced that it has expanded to 101 counties, and that is like double of its current foothold. So that alone tell you that Clover is expanding. It will only expand further. So yeah. So the Death, he said that, hi, I'm new to trading, hi, I'm new to trading, so basically you started at the start of this year. My parents gave me money to trade at 18. Hope I don't lose it, if not die liao. I can relate, man. I can relate to you. It's freaking undervalued. As long as it can get out of the hedge's hand, we will fly. Okay, so I'll answer the first part. If you are new to trading, welcome. The Death, welcome to Trading World. But please be careful. It is not easy. It's difficult. But if you get on the right stock, which I was talking about Clover, I do see its potential. If you go on the right stock, then I think your parents' money would be able to salvage. And I mean, if you mind sharing with me, like, what is your price that you bought in? What is your average price? Yeah, so that I know whether your parents will scold you or not. And yeah, it's freaking undervalued. As long as it can get out of the hedge's hand, will fly. Yes, agreed. Clover, alright, it is expanding. Granted, it doesn't have revenue. In fact, it has net loss. But if you look at companies like AMC, which by the way I have it, but I just want to say, if you look at that, it has a lot of debts. It has net loss, huge net loss. So if you compare that apple to apple, I mean, based on whatever statistics, I think Clover has what it takes to go $20. Alright, I seriously don't know why the short sellers are shorting Clover, because Clover has so much potential to reach $20 or $30.
Hi, Karabang. My average is 17 for clover. I think I'm gonna eat grass soon. Well, I think if you buy clover at 14, you still eat grass. Just joking. Well, if your average is 17, I think good news is that you can average down at $9. It is at a lower price, but I mean, don't take it from me. Don't take it from any YouTubers out there. You know, we know there's so much we know, right? So you do your own due diligence. Watch the videos if you want. Go to Reddit community and read up the due diligence. See whether it makes sense. If it does, and if you're convinced by it, I honestly think that $9, $8, $10 is a pretty good price to buy. And the dev, he replied, I bought clover around 9 when it dipped, and also I'm continuously buying Apple, but not MCH, since I know it won't get affected much. I'm also betting into cannabis companies and putting into Ally soon. Alright, so I'm gonna answer, the death. Alright, so okay, the good thing about you bought clover at around $9 when it dipped. I think you bought it recently, right? Because it has dipped since forever. It has dipped for like, I think 10 days already. So I do think that when it goes up, it's gonna go up. Coffee Talk and Tech, please wait for a while. I'll get to your comment. Thank you so much for commenting. So let's take a look at AMC, right? I just want to share a story about AMC that I think all of us can perhaps relate to. I think it was around this area. Okay, so this was around this area where AMC have had a disgusting weeks. Is it? Oh, no, it's not this. Is it this? No. I think it was around here. Yes, it was around here. Yes, it was around this period where AMC have had a disgusting weeks. Okay, dude. Yeah, I'm sorry. This. You see $18, and then it dropped to 17, and then it dropped to $15. From $18 every single day, almost every single day, AMC have a drop to $15. Okay, and a lot of people bought at $18, people handed at $15, and it's really insane, the amount of days, rate days. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, like down day. So many down day for AMC, and I was like, oh my god, I should have sold at $18. What did I do? Or rather, what did I not do, right? And very quickly, and of course I forget about it, and then I start to rise, and voila, we went up all the way to $83. That is insane. So my point over here is that Clover have had really terrible week, really terrible days. Okay, if you look at this, we have gone down quite substantially. So if you are looking at the position to add, I think this is a good position to add and wait for it to bounce, because anyway, the support line is around here. Yep. So this is the support line. So as you can see, we are hovering around this support line. Of course, if you guys know me, I don't like to have a fixed support line, in the sense that the support line will move. It's like an ambiguous number. It's just like around there, it's around there, because different traders look at different charts. So some look at 30-minute chart, then some look at 4-hour chart, some look at different charts. So my point is that right now we are at this support line. Some people would argue that it's here, but at $8, I mean, the max is gonna go down. It's not max, but rather if you're afraid, it's gonna go down to what, $6, right? $6. Yeah. So I do think that this is a pretty good risk to reward ratio. Of course, at this point, when I made the video, it was a good risk to reward ratio as well. And yes, Coffee Talk and Tech, thank you for sharing. The last bounce came off $15 with AMC also now at $8, $9. So yeah, you're right. The last time AMC dropped from I think $15, $16, it dropped all the way to $8. And I remember, okay, my embarrassing story with AMC was that because I bought stock for AMC, I bought a lot of money with AMC. I was really sad. And then when AMC started to go out a bit, I started to learn more about option and a bit more comfortable with buying options, and decided to buy AMC calls. And sucks. The bad thing about it is that the call okay, so AMC went to $15, $16. I bought call at around I think around $13, and it started to drop to $8, and I was like, oh my, AMC is gonna drop, man. I sold my call, but of course I didn't sell my shares, because I think, because okay, of course calls options have expiry date, so I was afraid of it eating into my call, so I just sold my call. And immediately the next week it went up to what, $18. Then I thought it was gonna go down. It went up again all the way to $80. That's insane. So I do see Clover having that again. I do hope so, and when that happens, let's celebrate, everybody. And okay, now back to Coffee Talk and Tech. My last big trade were last 4. Bought oil stocks at lows and GE at 6 and made out like a bandit. Made an average of 92% in 8 to 9 weeks. I will watch this Clover. Yes, wow, I think we should have more conversation about stocks, and perhaps we could do a live together. I mean, talking about stock, just sharing about our ideas. And of course, I believe you have experience in oil stocks. You could share your perspective. Coffee and Talk. And by the way, hi Marcus, hi, thanks for joining. But anyway, again, for those of you who just joined, just want to share that Coffee Talk and Tech, he is a YouTuber, fellow YouTuber as well, and he does a lot of YouTube videos with regards to helping new YouTubers. So myself, I'm a new YouTuber. I watch his videos and learn how to improve. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to be a YouTuber, you guys can hit me up, and of course watch his videos, right? Then we can see how we can help you. Yeah, but hi Marcus, how are you? Okay, so let's that's for Clover. And after so much conversation, so much talk, I think Clover is back. It has dropped again. Yes, so that's the problem with this kind of momentum stocks, right? You thought that it's gonna go up, but you see, it's dropping. So yes, Coffee Talk and Tech. Yes, definitely. You have experience it with you. You've seen a lot of bubbles, a lot of cycles. So in terms of experience wise, you definitely be able to provide insights that otherwise a lot of young YouTubers like myself and many other youngsters can't. So yeah, because I think a lot of youngsters like myself, we want quick gratification, we want fast, everything to be fast. So therefore, in terms of our profit, we want it to be fast. And of course, for myself making YouTube, I want my channel to grow fast as well. But then just gotta take a step back and think in terms of stock market. Yes, the best thing can happen to you is the stock goes up fast. You take profit fast, but sometimes you just gotta take on a conservative approach and buy stocks that definitely grow Amazon, Apple, and stuff like that. But it's slow, so maybe reduce the risk and buy those stocks that doesn't give quick gratifications. Yes. So Clover is trying its best to stay positive. Wow, AMC is down really bad, guys. Really bad. Let's take a look at this. That's really crazy, yeah? It's really sad. But whatever, right? I'm just gonna see where it's gonna go. See where it's gonna go. If it's, I don't know, people say 10,000 or 100,000. Yeah, I'm not gonna say no. In case Coffee Talk and Tech. I believe your name is John, right? So yeah, John. In case, or Karabang, Marcus, Darius, if you guys are still watching, there's been a lot of excitement going on in the AMC community, where their target price is $100,000. Well, it may happen. Why not? But the market cap, if it is $100,000, it is gonna be almost as big as the current capitalization of the entire world. But well, I'm not gonna say that it won't happen. If it happens, great. But yeah. Yes, John. I think ever since the AMC drop, when it went down from $20 to $5, since then, as I said in the video just now, I felt I was devastated. I was sad, extremely sad actually, and since then my risk appetite is really low. The fact that I bought Clover was really wow, because Clover is another momentum stock, but I don't see it as a momentum stock. Rather, I bought it at a very low price, so it's fine. But ever since that incident, my risk appetite got extremely low. Yeah. I'd rather buy Amazon, Apple stocks that sort of like confirm the winning trade, because money is hard to earn. Yeah, and if the problem with these momentum stocks, you can earn fast, but you can lose fast as well. And yeah, Bitcoin and fast trade, yes. Bitcoin, it has dropped quite substantially. I didn't follow it now, but I'm looking at entering Bitcoin again and see what's gonna happen. And the death, just curious, are you into short? If so, just curious, any reason why? Sorry for sounding a bit demanding. Oh, no worries. Well, I am not into short. Number one, the first reason is that I don't feel good winning a trade by shorting. Yeah, that's personal opinion. I don't feel good, and of course, I do feel that the risk to reward ratio is not there. Why is it not there? Okay, so when you buy a trade, let's say you buy at $10, Clover for example, $10, okay, $9, okay, let's keep it simple. You buy at $10, company ABC, and if company ABC goes up to $20, you make 100% gain. But you short a stock. In order to win 100%, you need the company to fail. So that's hard, right? Don't you think so? I don't think it is the maximum, but rather I feel that a good short trade would be 50%, right? So yeah, I don't believe in short. I don't feel good. I hope that answers your question. And you're not demanding, man. You're not demanding. Yeah, that's just me. I don't like to win. I did try to short a company, and I feel shorting seems pretty decent, because the price goes up all the way, and then what's gonna happen next, which is it's gonna go down. So it is quite intuitive, but it could short squeeze against you. So I don't like to play. I don't like to win money when the price of the company decrease. So I don't. And hey John, so do you buy Bitcoin when it was at 20 cents? That's the true to the moon. Did I buy Doge? You asking me or John? Personally, I think I was quite stupid because I saw Dogecoin, right, when it was trading lower than 1 cent. It was at 0.004. Yeah, it was at 0.004. And I saw Elon tweeting about Doge and stuff like that. It wasn't like a big thing because it was at 0.004. So it's like, nah, I don't think. I mean, of course, I heard analysts say this is gonna go down. I heard people say that if you buy now, you're gonna hold it back. And after losing, after what I've experienced with AMC, I told myself not to jump into the hype because I don't know much about Doge to talk about it. I thought that let's not jump into the hype, and yeah, I didn't buy, and then it went up to 8 cents, I remember. Then I didn't buy. I was like, yo, that is crazy. That's like I think 1,000% from 0.004, like 2,000%. And I was like, should I buy? Nah, I didn't buy. Then true enough, it dropped to 3 cents, right? From 8 cents dropped to 3 cents. I was like, see, I told you, I was right. I'm a genius. And I didn't care about it. And then it went up to, I think, 10 cents, 20 cents. And then it went up further. I was like, okay, you know what? Let's get into it. Let's get into it and see where it's gonna go. They say it's gonna go. What's that? $1, and it was at 50 cents or 40 cents or something. I was like, okay, I just do a quick trade, right? I don't foresee earning more than 100%, but whatever. I bought at 40 cents, and boom, it went up because of the Saturday Night Live. Then yeah, I thought the price was gonna shoot up to $1 plus. So I thought like, oh my god, I really gonna win 100%. So I just forget about it. And the time difference in Singapore with US and UK, John, what time is it at your place or Trading Talk? So yeah, I went to sleep, and next day I saw that it went down to 40 cents, so it's quite scary. I know Malaysia is, I think, Just Anything. Are you still there? Are you still there? Yeah, okay, Just Anything. Thanks for listening. But oh yes, see, John, it is at $9 and $9. Oh, 9. 9 a.m. 9:37 a.m. Oh, okay, 10:37 a.m. But in Singapore it is 10:37 p.m. So could you imagine, right? That day I kind of forgot, right? But I remember I went to sleep. The next moment I wake up, I thought I'm gonna, I thought I can buy Lambo, I thought I can, treat my family a nice meal, but couldn't, because I caught with a big bag. So yeah, once again, don't jump into the hype train. But yeah, now I stick with just Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hey, yes. Ethereum and hey John. So I don't really look at cryptocurrency. So I mean, I do invest in it, but I don't exactly know, like, the ins and outs of Ethereum and this is what I know about the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is like first gen. Ethereum, I mean, they claim to be the second gen, and then Cardano seems to be the third gen, or like so many other different coins claim to be the third gen. So it's a bit confusing. XRP, jump into the mix and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a bit confusing. So I think I need to do my due diligence on cryptocurrency before I can share a little bit more on cryptocurrency. But for now, Clover is Clover, yes, for me. Alright, Clover is barely 1%. But I feel really bad for, AMC. It's really, it sucks. Okay, it sucks. I think I'd like to share with everybody this short video. I hope I don't get flag out for anything.
Continuité d'homme.
Okay, hold up. Oh no. Okay. Okay, this by Bizonacci Bog. Okay, let's take a look. Let's watch. Let's go. Can you guys hear?
Continuité d'homme. Temporary bottom, reversal. Point pit and pay un tabule flag. Put him to sleep. Load the Korea fold. Make him think it's the bottom. Drop off the volume. Dump it again.
That's my impression of cryptocurrency, by the way.
Print 100 million Tether when he goes to sleep. 10 pit. Load a dip. Sideways till he sleeps, then crash with the exact same Korea fold. Get Vitalik on the lane.
Master.
For 2 was and wake him up.
Okay.
Load the flip on him trade. Crash it. Activate quantum immortality. Now print 200 million Tether.
The price goes up to the moon.
Let him in.
To the moon, guys. Time to buy. Time to buy.
Kill him. Transfer everything. And then find an hotel.
Yeah, that's my impression of cryptocurrency, guys. Boys, the economy is recovering. Block the canal. It is a joke if you guys get it. There was this canal issue. I don't know whether you guys remember. Okay. Yeah, I love memes, especially about stocks. I love it. Now let's see. Okay, after watching some memes, I think AMC went up a little bit. Let's watch more memes in. Oh no, Tesla is down again. Gosh, Workhorse is down. The roller coaster of trading. I just remembered sometimes holding is the best choice. Holding is the best choice. Well, it depends on what stock you are holding. If you're holding onto stocks that you yeah, it really depends. Okay, you need to look at the stock, whether the stock has it is shorted, or whether the stock has expansion, whether the stock has future purposes, whether the precedent, like for example, Clover, why I am holding on to it is because I know that this presidency, he focused on Medicare and stuff like that. So I do see in the next couple of years with him as the president, I do hope that this Medicare thing, companies will do well, just like cannabis stock, under this presidency. I think this company is gonna do well. And yes, Coffee Talk and Tech John, you're right, man. I think I'm still learning on this. I'm still learning at this part, because sometimes when it is red, like for example AMC, AMC, when it is red, or say for example Tesla, Amazon, back in March or May, where it dropped, I think March, where it dropped a lot. I think it went down to 2,000 ish, if I'm not wrong. And then a lot of people decided to sell. And when I told my friends, my family, especially my mom, because she's not very investment savvy, trading savvy, I told her to buy Amazon at around 3,000 flat, around there, 3,001, 1,002. And she was afraid. She was like, oh wait, it's dropping every single day. Why do you ask me to buy and stuff like that? But buy when it's red, don't buy when it's green. I mean, of course you can buy when the wave goes up, when there's a confirmation, but of course when it's red, for companies like Amazon, big tech company, big capital company, big company with big capitalization and undervalued. And at the point of time, I don't have a YouTube channel, but I did the discounted cash flow for Amazon, and I felt that Amazon is pretty undervalued. I let go and bought back twice on the big scale, and it changed my life in the last. It looks like John. It looks like you have a lot of have wealth of experience in trading and investing, and I think you should talk about it and share your experience, maybe during your life. People like us, youngsters, will be able to learn from you. And the Dev, I just saw your I do watch their channel as well. The current market is not really favorable, more bearish. I rather swing trade, buy stocks with big potential and good fundamental, and also undervalued. I agree with that. Good fundamental and undervalued. So I think honestly, I'm not very sure at this stage, in the sense that my channel, at first I started out try to do more fundamental company, but to be honest, fundamental company, I like it, I buy it, I ask my parents to buy it, but for YouTube algorithm, to be honest, as a small channel, it's really hard to compete with established channels. So and also, of course, I bought Clover. I bought a lot of Clover, so I think it is a good time, a good opportunity to talk about it, since I bought it and I'm holding on to it. So yeah. So let's if you guys like the I think I watched this as well. Okay, hold on, you guys can't see, right? I think I watched this as well. You guys definitely should watch this. XRP. Hi John, just want to check, do you have XRP, or what do you think of XRP? Yeah, I think the good thing about people in a younger demographic, younger generation, is that we have access to very easy way to trade, to invest, with our phone, with our laptop, with our computer and everything. We can just trade, just click on it, buy, and you get to buy. In our grandparents' generation, they need to call their broker, which they charge, what, if I'm not wrong, $125 per trade. So usually those people are the true diamond handlers, right? They buy and then they just leave it there. And of course, for folks who are 50, 60, 40, they have it slightly easier, but of course it's still more difficult than the current time. You can just go Moomoo and just execute a trade. You can just go any platform to execute a trade, and you are an investor. You are a shareholder. You hold into a share. So it's so easy. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll keep about 6 to 8 inches. Okay, thank you so much for your advice. Thank you. I will take note of this, and hopefully in my future life I'll use it. Yeah, not hopefully, but rather I'll use it. Oh, okay. Right, that's the divide that I see on XRP with Ethereum and Cardano and Bitcoin and stuff like that. Seems like the crypto guys kind of like hate XRP. Yeah, probably because what it stands for. And yes, John. Yes, just anything. He has a lot of knowledge that. Yeah. Do subscribe to his channel and take a look. Yeah, hey, thank you so much. I think I have a teacher who is teaching me how to be a better live streamer, YouTuber. Thank you so much. I'm very excited. I appreciate your comments. And yeah, just anything. If you guys, for just anything, I think you post a couple of videos with about Park, right? Just anything Park. And yeah, if you want to be YouTuber, you want to start out YouTube, I think John, right, Coffee Talk and Tech, you guys can just check his YouTube channel and then take a look at it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look at one last look at the Reddit community, see what's the sentiment and stuff like that, and let's go. Okay, one last look and we'll call it a day. Thank you so much, John, Ijin, Trading Talk. and just anything. A couple of you guys for staying with me so far. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy, especially the memes and the videos. It seems like there isn't much weird news going on. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at summary. Sorry. Actually, usually I will use Moomoo app to take a look at the news, but for the sake of life, because apparently I think they block it, so I just use Yahoo and take a look whether is there any news on Clover. No news, no latest news apart from this expense management team, right? AMC, let's go. Yeah, you could lose everything on meme stocks. Yeah, I mean, I agree. I totally agree. You could lose everything. So, if you guys are thinking of getting into AMC or even Clover, right? GameStop, I think you can do your own due diligence and do your own research, and don't trade with more than what you can lose, or else you end up like me, going bonkers when the price goes down. Okay, seems hold on. Yes, Clove gets boring. Investor friendly boring at this level. To be honest, people say with age, but Clove is not particularly stressful. It's staring up and down. Yeah, so again, don't look at it every single day. I think we can just chill, and yeah, there isn't much of an update. And anyway, if you guys haven't check out my Twitter, you guys please check it out. That's it. I think that's about it for this live session. Thank you so much once again for joining. I think I need to go and shower. The Reddit is the most funny place. Yes, I agree, man. I agree. Thank you, John. Thank you, Ijin. Thank you, The Death, Karapang, just anything finance stock. Thank you guys for joining to the live session. Trust me, with John's help, the Coffee Talk and Tech, I think I'll improve my live session. So do anticipate for better live session. Anyway, I think I'll need to go and shower. If not, my rash is gonna yes. If not, yeah, that's the end of this live. Do remember to if you like this live session, do like and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll end this session.